Okay, so to remove this, it's pretty simple. There's just 2 bolts on the bottom side. On the passenger side, it's really easy. You just open the glove box and remove these 2 7mm bolts. Now for the driver's side, it's pretty much the same process. However, you will have to come in and take out these 8mm bolts, one on each side. After that's out of the way, you can just push straight down on this panel and it'll pop out. Then you can get access to the bolts on the bottom side of this vent. For this side, we'll go ahead and remove those 2 bolts. Okay, so I have a spare one to show you here. We just took out the bolts on the bottom, and on the top it has these little raised ridges. So all you're gonna do is, as you push from the behind here to pop this out, you're also going to push downward on here, and by going down, it's gonna help that come out. So I'm just pulling forward where the screws came out, and then as doing that, just making sure to push downward to have it clear those ridges. So just as a second angle, it's right here in the red is where you put your fingers in to pry forward. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to remove this vent. Okay, and so there's a way to do that. If you look in here, one side has the open and close mechanism. Okay. So we don't want that side, we want this side, okay? So I don't know if you could see that or not, but we just took our screwdriver and went underneath right here on that black piece and just kind of pried it up. So now the vent will come out like that, okay? And so this piece right here that moves up and down, okay, it has this little mechanism on there. We're leaving that all attached. Okay, so here's our new vent right here, and it's the same on each side. So now all we're gonna do is just line this straight back up again. There we go. So our new vent is in, still works. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put this back in. Okay, so we're just gonna line this right back up. I'm gonna push down a little bit here. Okay. Just gonna put our 2 bolts back in now. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.